5-axis laser cutting is becoming critical in India. India's automotive and component manufacturing is at a turning point. With BS6 Phase 2, Bharat NCAP safety norms, and the rapid rise of EV platforms, manufacturers are shifting to hot-stamped and press-hardened steel for safety-critical parts. These materials deliver extreme strength, 1,300 to 1,800 megapascals, but they are nearly impossible to process using plasma, oxy-fuel, or mechanical trimming. Those methods are slow, tool-intensive, and costly. This is where 5-axis laser cutting becomes critical. Unlike 2D or 3-axis systems, 5-axis laser cutting enables multi-angle, high-precision cutting in a single setup, even on hardened boron steel and complex geometries. The result? Shorter cycle times, no secondary operations, higher accuracy, superior repeatability, and burr-free edges without tool wear. Globally, Europe and China already treat 5-axis laser cutting as the standard. India is now reaching the same inflection point. With hot stamping capacity set to triple in the next 5 years, this shift is driven by regulation, not choice. 5-axis laser cutting is no longer an upgrade. It is a long-term manufacturing strategy.